Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to add picture in Word document, what you need to do. But before that, if you find this video is helpful, please subscribe to my channel and give a like. Okay, how to add picture in Word document. When you are in the Word document, just click Insert. After that, click on Pictures. Now select where is the picture that you want to add. If it's in this device or stock from image or online pictures. Okay, I will select this device. I already have picture in the desktop. Okay, then select desktop. Okay, here is the image. And you can resize the image. You can increase the size. Yeah, this is what you need to do if you want to know how to add picture in Word document. I hope this video is helpful. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.